Hey, you called it.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately.
I don't like when you're right.
I know.
During the winter.
This is not one of those things I like being accurate about, but obviously, you know, getting that warning out the last, essentially the last week plus has been very good. And thankfully, a lot of folks, I think, did take that warning and stayed off the roads or trying to adjust plans from this terrible travel day today. Live Viper radar, we've had a couple of snow showers around. Most of the stuff that you're seeing flying in the sky, reducing visibility right now, is blowing off of the ground, and a few flakes that are still left in the air at this time. Temperature-wise, we're trying to get a little bit better out there. Most of the numbers are recovering slowly back up near zero very slowly this evening. Wind chill factors are still running about -25 to -32. That is a slight improvement from earlier, but again, we still have wind chill warnings in effect all night tonight into daybreak hour tomorrow morning, as we're going to continue to see the chance of -25 or below wind chills heading into the morning hours tomorrow. Our actual air temperatures, I mean, here is some good news. We're at -3 now, and by later this evening, we'll be all the way up to -2. So we are going to see some improvement as opposed to numbers going down tonight. We will talk about a slightly warmer Saturday, a nicer Sunday for Christmas, a little bit nicer Sunday for Christmas, and more spring-like temperatures, actual spring-like temperatures in a few minutes.
Yeah,
obviously, the weather is not getting worse at this time. We've been reiterating that over the past hour, that it is not getting worse. However, the winter storm warnings that were set to expire shortly have now been extended. In fact, you look at, and I'll click on Franklin County here, you see the winter storm warning now showing until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Typically, you need a snow ice criteria for winter storm warnings. The Weather Service has actually extended these based on blowing snow and poor travel conditions, knowing this is going to be a very heavily traveled time typically out ahead of the Christmas holiday. So again, winter storm warnings now extended overnight tonight. You may be getting alerts on your phone from your weather app that we have winter storm warnings extended. The reason being, again, is because of what is on the ground now and the cold wind chill and the strong winds, not for additional snow. So I wanted to make that point right at the top of the broadcast. Your watch, your phone might be going off. Mine's going off right now for those alerts. So again, not expecting big additional snow. We have some scattered flurries flying around, a lot of the snow that's on the ground in addition to that flying around. However, here is the difference. If you are traveling in northeast, northwest Ohio, these are patches of snow coming off the lakes, off Lake Michigan and northwest Ohio, northeast Ohio, all of this lake, in fact, snow, and it is heavy up that area as well. So if you are traveling that way, I would try to avoid it until late tomorrow at best. Mr. Reuter Tower camera, you can see a little bit better visibility, almost can make out past the Ohio Stadium at this point. So that's something. We're getting a little bit better out there right now. Temperatures are still very cold, just below zero. We're at -3 right now in the city. Wind speeds have gone down. It's nice to see a couple of these numbers in the teens at this point. So that is aiding in the wind chill starting to improve a little bit. But boy, oh boy, still -20s to -30s. The criteria for wind chill warnings, -25. We are beyond that and will stay around that range throughout the night tonight. So wind chill warnings do extend until tomorrow morning area wide, and then wind chill advisories will take over for tomorrow afternoon, as wind chills will stay below zero all day long. But again, notice on the pinpoint forecast, not really showing much as far as additional snowfall goes. Yeah, we could have a couple of flakes around overnight tonight, and I think as we head towards daybreak tomorrow, may get a little lobe of moisture that'll come through with some additional snow showers. I don't think many of us are going to notice a difference, though, because most of the snow that's on the ground is so feathery. It's blowing around everywhere and drifting. So I think this will just kind of add to that a little bit tomorrow, but it's not going to make a big weather impact in the morning hours. More so the winds will be, with very gusty conditions and very cold temperatures expected over the next 24 hours. So tonight we'll see our numbers go up about a degree. I think for most of us wholesale, we're going to be about the same as we are right now, staying below zero overnight tonight. We'll see our numbers by daybreak getting back to near zero. And in fact, we should be above zero during most of the daytime hours tomorrow. Not a lot above zero, but it's better than today. We'll top at about 10 for your Saturday. Christmas Sunday, still one of the top 5 coldest at 15 for the afternoon high with a bit of sunshine. We'll see a little clipper system roll through quickly on Monday. May bring an additional little coating of snowfall out there as we'll drop to 22 for the high on Monday. But then after that, I start to like the forecast again. We'll get up to 30 on Tuesday, 40 on Wednesday, 50 on Thursday, and middle 50s with a chance of showers. Those are rain showers, though, for next Friday.